Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make some lovely mutton curry with cauliflower. We usually use lamb meat when we're cooking mutton curry. Here I have a kg of lamb meat which I marinated overnight, and Pranesh will link the marinade to you. We use the same marinade as our basic mutton curry. Thereafter I have half a head of cauliflower which I cleaned and rinsed out and leaving the florets big. I'm using a quarter cup of oil. I'm using 1 onion sliced, 1 tomato cubed. Then for my spices I have 2 small pieces of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of mixed masala, 1 teaspoon of hurdee, 1 teaspoon of dhania jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of pure chillie powder, and 1 teaspoon of my mixed whole spice, which I usually dry roast and grind, because for some reason Pranesh don't like the elachi. 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic and 2 stems of fresh curry leaf and some lovely fresh thyme to braise, and 1 teaspoon of salt, but we will taste along the way, and a little bit of dhania to garnish. This is a very similar recipe to our mutton curry, but instead of potatoes we are going to use cauliflower, and we will place in our cauliflower in a later state so it will stay whole in our curry. It also gives a different flavor to the mutton curry. I caught my pan heating on moderate heat, and I'm just going to put in my oil. To my oil I'm going to add in my onions. I'll allow these onions to fry. My onions are browning up lovely. Just going to add in my cinnamon to it. I'm going to add in my curry leaf. And my thyme. And also my ginger garlic, and I'll give this a few minutes to fry out. I am going to add in my masalas. I'll give this masalas a few seconds to fry out. I am just going to add in my lamb. I'll give this a nice mix. Also I'm going to add in my salt to it. I will allow this to fry for about 15 to 20 minutes. 20 minutes has passed, and as you can see, my meat has come to a fry. To this I'm going to add in my tomatoes and give it another 10 minutes for the tomatoes to cook out. 10 minutes has passed, and now I'm going to use water to help to cook the meat. This is 2 cups of water that I'm going to add in. This will allow the meat to get nice and soft. If I'll need additional water, I'll also add. Half an hour has passed and my meat is gone soft. To this, I'm going to lower my heat and place in my cauliflower. I'll give this a nice mix and I'll allow my masalas to get into my cauliflower. Thereafter, if I'll need a little more water, I will add. 10 minutes has passed and as you can see, my masala has coated very well into the cauliflower. To this, I'm also going to add additional of a cup of water to give me some nice thick gravy. And this water will also help the cauliflower to get a little more soft. I am going to allow this to cook till my cauliflower is done out nicely. 15 minutes has passed and my gravy has thickened. My cauliflower is cooked out. I think this is a very good idea to trick the children to eat some veggies. Cauliflower is good. So now I'm ready to just garnish with a little dhania and switch my stove off. And thereafter, I am also ready to serve. Here you go, your lovely mutton curry with cauliflower served with some nice hot rice and a lovely freshly made salad on the side. This is a very good variation of our mutton curry, and make use of some extra cauliflower if you have. We also made mutton curry with some lovely cabbage in it. That was very tasty, and Pranesh will link that mutton curry to you. And mutton can be cooked in various ways, like potatoes and peas and samp and mutton on this lovely cold weathers. We have all that also done. If requested, we can link the video to you. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you all give this a try and enjoy.